Good morning all. Myself Sujita Mahesh. Today I am representing the chapter Public Facility. It is a part 2 chapter. Yesterday I go through it in the part 1. Students, now let me go. In your point of view, what is government role? One of the most important function of the government is to ensure that this public facility are made available to everyone. गवर्नमेंट फैसिलिटी हर किसी को सुविधा मिले, ये बताया जाता है. Now let us understand why the government must bear this responsibility. We have seen that private company operate from profit in the market, while for other public facility such as school and hospital, private companies may well be interested. If you are living in a city, you will have been seen private companies supplying water through tanker or supplying drinking water in the sealed bottles. Hence, this facility is not available to all at an affordable rate. If you go by the rule that people will get as the much they can pay from there, many people who cannot afford to pay for such facilities will be deprived of the opportunities to live in a decent life. Public facility related to people basic needs. Now, अगर हम बात करते हैं where does the government get the money from the public facility? गवर्नमेंट को पैसे कैसे मिलते हैं? गवर्नमेंट को पैसा मिलता है बाय द हेल्प ऑफ द बजट. अगर आपने ये वर्ड बजट सुना होगा, इट इज़ साल में एक बार पार्लियामेंट में ये बजट रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. अगर मैंने आपको इस पर्टिकुलर पैराग्राफ को अगर आप पढ़ लोगे तो ये आपको पूरा डिटेल बता रहा है आपको बजट कैसे मिलता है और आप उस एक्सपेंसिव से कैसे क्या क्या काम करते हो. आपने अगर सुना होगा टैक्स, द वर्ड टैक्स इज अराउंड अस. हम वाटर टैक्स देते हैं, व्हीकल टैक्स देते हैं, हाउस टैक्स देते हैं, वी आर गिविंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टैक्स, रोड टैक्स, मेनी टैक्सेस इज देयर. बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दैट टैक्स, गवर्नमेंट take that particular amount and provide us all kind of public facilities. Now students, you have to go through it. Every year you must have heard the government budget being present in the parliament. This is an amount of the expense the government has made on its program in the past year and how much it planned to spend in the company year. In the budget, the government also announced the various ways in which it plan to meet this expensive. The main source of revenue for the government is the basic collected from the people, and the government is empowered the collecting these taxes and use them for such program. ये सब मैंने आपको अभी जस्ट बताया, ये आपको इंग्लिश वे में एक शॉर्टली बताया जा रहा है. Now let me talk about the union budget. How we get the budget from this particular era? We get 5% in the pension, 8% in the expenditures, financial commissions, subsidies, defense, centrally sponsored. This all we get it from this era. Now let me talk about the public facility and why the government is providing us public facility. हमें गवर्नमेंट क्यों प्रोवाइड कर रही है पब्लिक फैसिलिटी? अगर आपको मैं आपसे अगर पूछती हूँ तो you also know that we need a very decent life, and for that we get the public facility from the government. The government can get a private company to deliver some of the public facility. For instance, contract for the building road are given to private contractor. Distribution of electricity in the Delhi to done by the two private companies. However, the government must keep a close watch on this and ensure that they fulfill their commitment to reach this facility to all the people and affordable price. ये सब हमें बताया गया है और हमें कैसे मिलता है ये भी बताया गया है. लुक एट द वाटर बिल. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा यू कैन सी इट इन इफ़ यू गेटिंग द बिल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वाटर बिल और रोड टैक्स बिल और समथिंग बिल दैट यू हैव इट, गो थ्रू इट. देयर इज़ अ वन टैक्स एरिया वेर यू कैन सी हाउ मच द रेट यू आर अचीविंग फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर amount by the government. Now let me talk about the tax revenue of central government. This is the amount that the government is getting from this area, about the percentage way. Now students, let me talk about the buses. Government is giving many facility for the transportation. That is one of that is one is इसमें से एक है बस एंड मेट्रो सिटी रेलवे, सब कुछ जो आपको ट्रांसपोर्ट पब्लिक फैसिलिटी में मिलता है. Buses are the most important form of public transport. Over distance, short distance, it is the main link to the workplace for majority of the working people. Government also planned ambitious metro rail project for the Delhi and other metropolitan cities. Government also spent around 11,000 amount crore to latest technology. Students, this much is I have just go through it. Laterly we will go to the part 3 and see you very soon. Bye. Have a nice day.